What a 24 hours it has been across the Triad, especially up into some of our northern counties. Surrey County picking up over 3.5 inches of rain in Mount Airy, and of course localized amounts all the way up to around 7 to 8 inches of rainfall in some of those areas. Radar estimates even higher, up to close to a foot. Right over the state line, and other places did receive intermittent rainfall. We did get some today as well, a couple tenths here and there, and rain has been more sporadic today, although not quite as heavy. Now, if you do get under one of these rainfall showers or storms, it's going to rain pretty heavily upon you, and that is because we have a very moisture-rich atmosphere. There's your planner as we go through the evening. You can see those rain chances sticking with us as well. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely even through the overnight hours at times. So keep that in mind that, yeah, you'll want to keep the umbrella around for evening activities, but if you find yourself out later on tonight, you'll also need the umbrella. So tonight's forecast calling for temperatures mild once again. Muggy and mild. It is very muggy out there. Temperatures falling back to the lower 70s. We do have the isolated chance of a strong storm or two as we go through the next several hours this evening, and that'll eventually start to taper off as we go through the overnight. However, the flash flood risk, that's not just with us tonight into tomorrow morning, but also as we go into our Monday. So this would be Monday morning through Tuesday morning. You can see that excessive rainfall outlook there, the level 1 out of 4 for the potential of isolated instances of flash flooding. We just have a very moisture-rich atmosphere. It's easy to get flash flooding in those types of scenarios. So the wind impact today low, and the flash flood potential also low as well. So those are things that we'll just have to watch as we go through the next couple of days. The other thing we're going to have to watch is rainfall, right? We've already gotten quite a bit of rainfall in some areas. We could get an additional inch or at least over an inch as far as estimated through at least Saturday. So wet weather will return tonight through Wednesday. You'll see those on and off rain showers as well as scattered showers and thunderstorms. You'll need to keep the rain gear handy, check the radar here and there, and we'll continue to see at least the potential for some of those scattered showers and storms, especially peeking into our Tuesday. We're going to end up with a cutoff area of low pressure, and that's going to pester us into our Tuesday and potentially into our Wednesday before things start to become more summer-like, with just the isolated to scattered showers and storms popping up across the higher terrain. So here's our futurecast model. You can see, again, scattered showers, thunderstorms possible even through the overnight tonight. Into the day tomorrow, it's going to be mainly some of the higher terrain, but as we go towards the later evening, we could see some of those drift into the Triad here and bring us some more rainfall into the day tomorrow. And then Tuesday, with that area of low pressure right over us, we're definitely going to be seeing widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now remember, this is scattered, so it's not going to be raining the whole time, and it doesn't mean that every single person in our area is going to see rain. However, there's a better chance of seeing some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms and even into our Wednesday, keeping that unsettled pattern around. What does that do to our temperatures? We'll be in the mid 80s as we go into your Monday. By Tuesday, with all the cloud cover, with all of the scattered showers, we could be in the upper 70s for a lot of folks, lower 80s for some, and then we're back to the lower to middle 80s as we go into our Wednesday, warming things up though as we head towards the late week period. So we're talking those dew points staying in the oppressive range. They're going to stay in the low 70s. We're not going to be seeing any drier weather really coming in anytime soon, unfortunately, as well. 71 tonight, mostly cloudy. We'll see scattered showers continue at times with a few rumbles of thunder also possible at times, and that low falling back to around 71. Tomorrow, your high 85 degrees, mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially through the afternoon and the evening, and we will see the isolated potential of flash flooding. Stick with us through our Monday and most likely into our Tuesday as well. And then as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we start to hit the late week stretch. We're going to see those rain chances start to back off just a little bit to the more isolated daily driven showers and storms favoring some of the higher terrain. So that'll be something we'll watch. The warmth will come back as we go towards the late week stretch, but starting off rather cool as we head into the early part of next week.